So for this activity, we just were introduced to the selection sort. Now we're going to duplicate that process using a virtual deck of cards. So when you go to this link, the site should open up and look similar to this. So make sure your deck is shuffled, and what you are challenged to do is to lay out 8 cards, like so. And we don't know what the value of these cards is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we go 8. And we're going to start by comparing, just like we saw in the selection sort, and we just tried it out. We're going to compare. Look at the first card, we know that's a 10, so we're looking for something that's less than that. So we compare it to the next value, well, that's definitely higher. So we look at the next value. But right now, that is our lowest value. So we're looking for something that's lower than that. So we find an 8. Okay, so that's lower than 10. So now we're going to hold on to this value and compare it to the next card. Okay, well this is higher than 8. So we continue to compare. This is the same, so at this point we can make a choice. I'm going to elect to go with the leftmost card. So this one is lower. So now I can flip this guy over. And I have one more card to compare that with, and this is higher. So I now have determined that this 7 is the lowest card. So I can swap these two out, put this to the leftmost spot, and turn that back over. Go to the next card. Okay, so we're comparing, trying to find something lower than an ace. So right now the lowest card is a king. Alright, we know that 8 is lower than king. So this is now our lowest card. So we compare that, that's higher. These are the same, making a choice. This is higher, and this is higher. So this is the card that I'm going to swap out. Now, something I neglected to mention, what you need to do at each step along the way is you need to use, I would suggest using the snipping tool, which when you go to search for that, sorry I already have it open, you can simply do a search for the snipping tool. Now I'm on my home computer, this will look different at school. And you can create a new screenshot. And I would have done this at my first step, I just failed to do that. And you can copy, and then from here, go back to your document, and you would paste the state of your deck along the way. And again, I did not do this at the first state, so probably what I should have done, and I'll just kind of cheat, what your state would look like the first time out, I'll do a new screenshot here, would be something like this. And I would have that pasted in there. So your deck should be reflective of you sorting this out at each step as you go through this, the state of your deck as you sort it out. And when you're finished, you submit that to Google Classroom.